Now here's something you don't see very often. It's an antique wall outlet and plug made by Hubbell. I have no idea how old this is. I'm guessing maybe 1910 or something. And the way you open it, you have to open up the two doors like this, and then grab the cord and pop it out. So there's the plug. Looks pretty safe, huh? So it's got exposed contacts on it, porcelain, and the receptacle is just a hole. You can see the screws where you attach the wall wiring or the AC wiring, and that's it. Wonder why they don't make these anymore. Maybe everybody that used it died or got electrocuted. Thanks.